Je m'appelle Jonathan et je suis courtier immobilier. I'm Jonathan and I'm a real estate broker. Bienvenue au 450 rue Lucerne, ici à Sainte-Adèle. Welcome to 450 rue Lucerne in Sainte-Adèle. Dans cette porte ouverte, je vais vous montrer des images aériennes de la propriété, je vais vous faire le tour de l'extérieur de la maison et enfin, je vais vous montrer l'intérieur de cette magnifique demeure. In this open house, I'm going to show you some aerial images of the property, I'll walk you around the outside, and I'll wrap things up by walking you through the interior of this magnificent home. I will point out all of the elements that make this property exceptional. Suivez-moi, follow me. First, a word on the positioning of this property relative to Sainte-Adèle, the town, and Montreal. So this property is just outside of the downtown core of Sainte-Adèle and barely an hour from Montreal itself. Easy to access, great place to come and spend your weekends. We begin out here on Chemin Lucerne. So there's the parking lot, room for about 6 vehicles. And this is Chemin Lucerne. What you can see at the farthest point at the end of the street is the dead end. So there are another half a dozen or 8 houses in that direction. Very quiet street. And the town of Sainte-Adèle is in that direction, about 2 kilometers. So this is the main entrance to the house. Very nice wrought iron gates here. And there we have the first view of this very modern house. Super architecturally unique. You'll see inside. So we come down a few steps here to a wooden platform, wooden deck here. You can see on either side cedar siding. This house is almost entirely constructed of cedar. So cedar siding, very square lines. And the main entrance right here. We're gonna walk straight through the house and see the backyard because the front yard is entirely fenced in. We can't get to the back of the house without coming through the house. So here we have flagstone all around the pool. The wooden surface of the deck was just redone this summer. The pool's been shut down now, or partially shut down for the season. It is late September. And there's a view of the house, as you've seen undoubtedly in the photos. So a little bar area here at the back of the pool area, a little stage as well. Just stunning backyard, nicely landscaped, fantastic view of this sprawling home. Really nice maple that is flame orange right in the middle of the yard, so it provides shade in the summer and in the winter frees up that view of the valley here in Sainte-Adèle. So here you have the steps down to this viewing platform here of the tennis court. So hard surface tennis court, still very functional. Needs some maintenance. There's another viewing platform over there that will need some maintenance. Hasn't been used intensively, evidently, in some time, but la base est là, comme on dit. So up here on the main deck, really sprawling view of the valley here in Sainte-Adèle, obviously of the pool. We're just off the living room here. We'll go inside in a moment. And just off the kitchen dining room here in this area over here, a little more shady. This is where we may catch a glimpse of the neighbor over here. But there are a lot of trees in between. It's a very, very private backyard. Nice bench area here. So there you have this beautiful deck just off of the kitchen living room area. We'll go inside now. So we step in here to the main living space of the home, and the first thing that strikes you is the openness and the brightness of this room. So really centered around the view of the valley, the view of the pool and the tennis courts. Lots of light coming in here through the vaulted ceiling. You can see this house is perfectly oriented due south. And then the second thing is this very unique architecture of open supporting beams, all entirely made of Western cedar. So you can see the ceilings, the structure, even the structure is Western cedar. The walls, everything is that you see, wall coverings, is Western cedar. So here you have dining room area just off, as we said, the balcony area there, the more shaded area. Living room, very open space living room that's open on the kitchen right here. And fireplace, real wood burning fireplace, big massive stone here, so you get this fire going, it's going to heat this house very, very well. So the camera's having trouble adjusting because of how bright it is out there. So the house faces absolutely due south. So of course, midday when the sun's overhead, it doesn't shine in so much. We don't overheat, but we are always bathing in light in this room. So here's the main entrance that we came down to before. Nice big entrance area. Plenty of room to get dressed, undressed, coats and whatnot. And then just off of the main entrance area is this powder room. So small powder room, again, just off of the main living area as well. These stairs downstairs, which we took down before, which is where most of the sleeping quarters are. We'll get down there later. And then we come here into the largest part of the house, which is the master bedroom suite. So here we are in the original section of the house, still cedar. There you can see that cedar exposed structure. So a sort of boudoir area for the master bedroom, library here. Of course, we've closed the blinds so that we have not too much light in here, and some closet space. And then we come up 6 steps to the master bedroom suite. So nice big open space, skylight directly above the master bed. Again, matching fireplace here in the master bedroom, and another stunning view of the valley and the pool outdoor area. So sliding doors here. There's also a little balcony just off the master bedroom right here. Jacuzzi on this end. So more private end of the house. We do not see the neighbor on this side. There's the fence that I was speaking about that really closes off, makes that backyard private. So very private side to the house, and jacuzzi right in the master bed. So master bedroom here at the back has some closet space, a sink, and of course the master bathroom. Very nicely done, granite quartz countertops, and we'll just step through here to another walk-in closet, all cedar, finished in cedar entirely. And the shower. just around the corner. We'll take a stroll upstairs. So mezzanine off of the master bedroom, reading area, office area. You have room for a computer, office work, and reading area, of course. This is where there is the absolute best view of the valley in this house. So as we get to the bottom of the stairs here to my right, jacuzzi room, again lots of windows looking out, but jacuzzi room sitting living area in this direction. We have bedroom number 2 after the master bedroom, again all in cedar. We have shower here and bathroom. And here is the sauna. Fitting that would be a sauna in a cedar house. It is, of course, entirely made of cedar. I won't go through some of these doors, go into the catacombs. That one, and there is one here behind these towels. They go into the mechanical areas, mechanical rooms of the house. If you want to come and visit, I will show you them gladly. Fireplace here, so a slow burning combustion lente fireplace in the corner here to use this room in the winter as well. So, and then this corridor is the main corridor that leads to the bedrooms. So first bedroom here, it's got 2 bunk beds in it. So that's bedroom number 3. Some down this hallway we have some closet space. Bedroom number 4, again all exposed structure, all cedar. Bedroom number 5, again cedar ceiling. The blinds are all closed because it is a very bright and sunny day, and that sun is strong today. So here's the bedroom number 6 in the basement. This is the largest of the basement bedrooms. Again, view down the valley, view of the pool. Nice and cool down here in this garden level of the house. So there you have it. I know I've only scratched the surface of everything that this house has to offer. It doesn't always come to mind all the features that I could point out as I'm walking around and managing the camera and trying to think of all the things that I can show you, all the elements that I can show you. But if you're interested, if this stunning architecture, 70s, 80s architecture and quality of construction, this big beautiful lot and the view, if it interests you, of course it'd be my pleasure to answer any other questions you may have. To come and show the house to you would be the ideal for me to help you understand really what this stunning house is all about. So